Hey folks, welcome to the Garden Canvas. We are very excited because we finally got our new gate installed and it was worth the wait. It is awesome. It was actually made by a water jet, which I'll explain that to you a little bit later, but it's here. I'm going to post a link to the company who made it in the description, so if you have an interest in having them do something for you, you can certainly check out their website and contact them. But with no further ado, let me show you the new gate. So this is the new gate. We actually had this company make the gate out of aluminum, and they use this really high-tech machine called a water jet that actually cuts the design. They plug the design into a computer, a certain type of file that they use. You'll be able to see how they're cutting this gate out with the machine. It's pretty amazing, using that high-pressure water and abrasive. And they basically cut the panel, which is this inside part, the design, that was cut as a panel, and then they welded an aluminum frame to the outside so that I could hinge it and then put our latch over here. So for my hinges, I've used a Tru-close hinge, which I need to put the covers. I actually have covers that came with these, and I'll snap those on. That'll cover the screws, the hardware. And these are self-closing hinges. And then I put a gravity-fed latch over here, so basically when the hinge pulls it to, the latch closes. And I don't have it really tight right now, so if there's a wind blowing this direction, it might not close, but I have no issues so far with it closing on its own. We chose aluminum so that the gate would be a lot lighter, but they can do this out of steel as well. So certainly if you're interested in having them make something for you, a gate or some kind of wall design or garden decoration, they can do it. And like I said, I'll post their link in the description. So if you want to check out their website and give them a call, send them an email, I'm sure they'll reach out to you. It's a small business ran by a family, so it's not a huge production outfit, but they do have some amazing ability to fabricate really cool stuff. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we will see you in the next one.